Jurors in the Stacey Castor murder trial heard today about portions of 2 draft suicide notes found on the computer at the Castor home. Castor is accused of poisoning her husband and trying to kill her daughter to cover it up. Jurors last week heard from 27 witnesses in the case, including Castor's 2 daughters, Bree and Ashley Wallace. Our Jeff Kulikowski has been following this trial and joins us in the newsroom now.
Good evening, Rod. Prosecutors today were trying to use testimony from a crime lab computer expert to show that Ashley Wallace couldn't have written that suicide note that was found in her room the day of her overdose. Frank Bracken testified about doing a search on the Castor's home computer to find possible evidence of that suicide note in the computer's hard drive.
Were you able to find a portion or portions of the note?
Yes, I did find 2 different portions of the note in 2 different files.
Have you gone through other...
Bracken told jurors the 2 portions of the draft suicide note, according to the computer time and date stamp, had to have been created before 3:34 on September 11th, 2007, and before 2:27 in the afternoon the following day. Ashley Wallace had laid out a timeline in her testimony earlier on in this case, backed up by wiretap phone calls, that she was in her first day of school at Bryant and Stratton on the 12th from early morning until her mom picked her up around 3:30 that afternoon. Now, jurors also today heard 9 wiretap phone calls made between Stacey Castor and a variety of people, including her daughter, Ashley Wallace, on September 12th and 13th, again, the 2 days before she was found overdosed. Prosecutors are trying to put together a timeline of who was where when certain things happened in this case, Rod.
All right, Jeff, thanks very much. Now, before testimony even began today, the defense asked the judge to declare a mistrial in the case. Castor's attorney, Chuck Keller, says he has not been given enough time to conduct computer and handwriting analysis. The judge denied the motion. The prosecution will continue his case again tomorrow morning.